This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today's Friday, January 28th, 2011, and today we're going to take a look at CytoSorbents. It's a NASDAQ bulletin board company trading their ticker CTSO. Ironically, we did this chart right back in here. Made a very nice climb since then. Kind of at a resistance point right here to try and take out the top, make a new high, continue this uptrend. I'll take a look and see if these indicators are giving us any hints that may happen. Overall, strong uptrend. Way back through that area. Very bullish. In the shorter term, a nice uptrend holding over top of zero. We just got the bullish cross again. MACD's looking good. PPO very similar. Bullish cross. Histogram bars increasing. You see this is in a strong trend according to the ADX. Up around 37.5 right now. Strong trend. Here comes the positive DI. Things are looking good for this to try and push forth to a breakout according to the ADX as well. Followers of our charts, this is what you look for. Holding over 50. Maintaining a bullish look. Getting a little bit of separation, but nothing too drastic at this point. Still properly positioned to try and push. Accumulation distribution got itself into a downtrend, but now it's breaking back through that trend line and moving back north, moving strong. Made a little bit of a higher low off of this bottom. Accumulation distribution looks good. Shaking money flow. Buying and selling pressure is about equal. Nice uptrend. Any sort of positive day today, this is going to break back into the green, show you buying pressure has overcome selling pressure. CCI, as we always say, that break right there of 100 is the buy point by definition. Again, nice uptrend overall. Indicators looking good. It's just a very bullish chart, strong chart. Full still is starting to put itself into a little bit of a downtrend. Now broke through that. A lot of positive momentum coming into the stock, starting to push its way through 80. Tricks, just reiterating everything else as far as a very bullish uptrend of the chart. Little dip down, bearish cross. Looks like it's curling right back through. What we're going to want to see is something along those lines. I want to see us go back up, make a new higher high, continue this channel. RSI is also in a very nice position. Momentum traders look for that break, getting over top of 70 into what they call the power zone. See the 14 and 21, the red and gold lines, nice uptrend following right behind it. When a chart gets really strong, you'll see that 7 and 14 break through 70 as well. What that's going to take for those things to play themselves out and push into extreme levels, it's taking out this top. You can see 17 back here at the very end of December was touched, pulled back, nice retrace, a solid move since then. Breaking through this resistance, there was pretty good resistance right there at 15, right through that area. You can see tough time even back into here. Pushed its way through it. The next step in this progression for this chart is to break 17 and go up here and make a new higher high. See volume's been increasing, 1.8 million shares traded yesterday. So we're going to look today to see volume bars, a little bit more volume even come in and take that top out. And then any sort of pullback, like to see that hold as support, just to define the fact that this is very strong and the uptrend is going to continue. A thing to notice about this, nice kind of rounded look to it, and a little bit of consolidation right through there. This could be considered a cup and handle continuation. There's the run off the cup, and now we're looking for that to take it out. Just a very strong, very bullish chart, very nice look to it. Technically solid with the moves, setting up support levels, holding them, coming back through, breaking them as resistance. And again, that's what we're going to be looking for. Trading over top all the short-term moving averages. Golden cross back here, the 50 through the 200. Now it even looks like the 200-day started to iron itself out. And to see that 200-day start uptrending, again, is just a very bullish sign, which would lead you to believe this chart's going to continue to try and trend upward. So I think that CytoSorbents is a chart to keep an eye on to see if it can penetrate that resistance. If it wants to pull back and retrace, chart will stay very strong if it holds 17. That's a pretty close stop loss as well. And if it holds there, I would imagine that people would be looking at it as a buying point because it would be sitting on a solid support level. And golden rules of trading by technical analysis is buy at support and on the break of resistance. So these are the two things that I think that technical traders will be looking for. I certainly will have my eye on this today as well. As always, this is merely my interpretation of the CTSO chart. This is Andy with QualityStocks. Thank you for watching and trade smart.